Hello guys. In a previous video we had talked about Windows Server 2016 MCSA Fast Track course. In this part we need to talk about the future. The question is, why do I decide to talk about it now, not by the end of the course itself? And the answer is, I want you to be ready to extend your plan for what is going to come next before even start studying Windows Server 2016 course. In this video, we need to understand the difference between MCSA 2016 course and MCSA 2019 series. We have 5 courses instead of 1 course. The first difference is in 2016 we use Hyper-V. In 2019 we use VMware. And the reason is because in the future we want to integrate more advanced labs with Windows Server 2019 series. As an example, in both 2016 and 2019, we use initially the router as a Windows box, but later we want to add a real Cisco device. So by this, we are going to integrate our network with GNS emulator, and that is going to give us the power to use now a real Cisco device. Behind the Cisco router, we might need to set a third-party firewall like Sophos, and again we need to use the integration of VMware with GNS to be able to achieve such goal. So as you will see, the 2019 is more advanced compared to 2016 Fast Track. The Fast Track is going to achieve its own goal, which is you need to learn how to build your own network, how to set Windows Server, how to upgrade it, make your first domain controller, join computers to the domain and do the labs, and that's it. But the 2019 is being designed to develop your skills up to the level of system engineer. In addition, we have more details and more advanced labs in 2019 series. Give you an example. To build your network in 2016, it is just one section. We have learned how to build our network and then we start immediately with the main course of 2016. But in 2019, to build your network is a course by itself. And in that course, you will see also how you can add routing to the real network. And also we have a bit about the cloud Azure integration. Then before start the main course of MCSA 2019, we have a second course, which is more than 10 hours, just to integrate Windows Server 2019 with Windows 10. And in that advanced course, you are going to learn advanced techniques like how to deal with real access point, how to block intrusion from outside, how to use third-party softwares to control clients in your network. So all of that in the second course. Then once you finish these 2 courses, then you will study course 3, which is the Active Directory of Windows Server 2019. Then we have course 4, which is network, and course 5, which is storage. So by the end of the main 5 courses in MCSA 2019, you will study around 45 plus hours. In addition, once we have the official release of them, we are going also to add more topics and to prepare you for the exam in this series. So you can consider it to reach even more than 50 plus hours. Now, if you already finished your MCSA 2016, then you decide to improve your skills with Windows Server 2019 series, then by the end of it, I can promise you, you already reached to the level of system admin. And this is not the end of the journey, because after that we have another courses with PowerShell. The PowerShell can be used not only to administrate your network, but also to improve security in your network. And there are too many scenarios when you cannot use the graphical user interface simply because it is not available, and to achieve the same scenario by using the PowerShell. And the PowerShell also, you can use it to fully administrate an enterprise network, not only a single device. While with the graphical user interface, usually the maximum performance you can achieve it is on a single device. And in PowerShell series also, we have 40 plus hours of labs and explanation. We start PowerShell with the fundamental. Then we are going to learn how to build a GUI interface by the integration of Xamarin C# with PowerShell. Then we have the advanced topics or advanced course with the PowerShell. Then after that, we are going to learn how to secure our Windows network using PowerShell. And finally, we will learn how to hack our network using PowerShell. As you see, by the end of PowerShell series, now you already studied up to the level of system engineer. After that, you are ready to continue with more advanced courses like SQL. SQL is going to be integrated with our network, which we already built before in the 10 courses of Windows Server 2019 series and PowerShell, and it can be used for advanced courses like System Center Operation Manager, System Center Configuration Manager, and also Azure. So as you see, we have a very long journey. This is just the beginning of it. And the first step in your journey is Windows Server 2016 course, but what's in there is much bigger. Even the 10 courses in Windows Server 2019 series and PowerShell, you can consider it as just your main step toward more advanced topics currently available in any network. But now you need to calculate your next step wisely once you finish all these 10 courses, plus course number 11, which is SQL. What do you want to become? Do you want to become a system engineer in a cloud, or you want to become a system developer, or you want to become a database engineer? This is exactly what you need to decide once you finish all these courses, and according to that you can set your own plan. So for now, we should finish first all these 10 courses, and once you finish them, you will find a new plan for what you need to do next. Thanks for watching.